Hey folks, coming to you with a Rookie Explosion Box Holiday Edition. I saw the video, or part of the video, where Filmington showed sort of what he was putting in these. I don't know. I have no idea what's in these. I know there's a 2019 Bowman pack. Let me look here. It's like a 1990 Leaf pack in there. All right, so I love these boxes, even if you don't pull anything big, they're just fun to open. So we've got a 1990 Leaf Series 2, I think that's going to have Frank Thomas in it. 1993 Topps Series 1, that's the Jeter Series. This is 2008 Topps Chrome. I don't know who's in that. Maybe Kershaw? I'm not sure. 2012 Heritage. 2013 Topps Update. 2017 Heritage High Number. I think this is probably still a good value for the wax, unopened wax, because you have Bregman, Bellinger, a couple other big names in there. And I pulled earlier, in my earliest videos, I pulled a Bellinger Real One Auto. It was off-centered, but it was a good hit. 2018 Heritage High. 2018 Topps Series 1 and 2. So we'll see if we can pull an Acuna bat down out of that. And Series 1, I think, is overlooked also. It has a ton of good rookies. Devers, Robles, Buehler, and some others in there. But Series 1, I think you can pick up pretty cheaply. But it's a good series to be on the lookout for. 2019 Heritage Minor League and the 2019 Topps Holiday. All right, so I'm just going to go in order of year, chronological order. Fix these. I'll do the 2019 Bowman last. So we're going to start off with the 1990 Leaf Series 2. Have not opened a ton of this just because it has been expensive since 1990. Let's see here. Turn my key rookie sheet over. I'm looking for Frank Thomas and Larry Walker. I think Larry Walker has the chance to get into the Hall of Fame this year. All right. Ron Kittle, Greg Olson, and Kevin Bass. Kevin Bass might be the best one in there. 93 Topps Series 1. Looking for Derek Jeter. Would love to pull a gold card of Derek Jeter. I've done that once. Sent it off to BGS. It got a 9 because it had a 9.5 on everything except surface. So I'm about to send that off again. Well, I want to send that off to PSA. Start off with the gold. Jose Guzman, Darren Dalton, Spike Owen, Pete Harnisch, Carlos Baerga. He had a couple of good years. Collected him as a kid. Roberto Hernandez, Doug Drabeck, and Danny Tartabull. All right. I don't know what I just did with my 90 Leaf stack. 2008 Topps Chrome. This is going to have Joey Votto and Evan Longoria. Not Kershaw, as I said. I thought it might have. Kershaw is in the Topps updates. And I know that now that I'm thinking about it because I pulled one, or actually pulled 2 of those cards earlier this year. We've got Jeff Maine. We've got Brian Bass, or Bass. Not sure if he likes to sound like the fish. Asdrubal Cabrera and Greg Maddux. Loved Greg Maddux. Wish he was in a Braves uniform on that card, but loved him. This is 2012 Topps Heritage. We're looking for Mike Trout, Miguel Montero, Brian McCann, just retired, Chase Darno, got a Ryan Zimmerman bat, Drew Pomeranz, and David Freese. '13 Topps Update. Looking for Christian Yelich, Nolan Arenado, Anthony Rendon, Garrett Cole, Didi Gregorius, also Yasiel Puig. I think there's a Hyun-Jin Ryu, rookie debut card in here. Punto, Francisco Liriano, Wilson Betterman. I did get a black card, Prince Fielder, Cliff Pennington, black out of 62, 31 of 62. And there's a view, rookie 1971 mini throwback. Delmon Young, Paul Goldschmidt, Matt Harvey, and a Zach Wheeler debut rookie. Not a bad pack. I always like to pull the parallels, like the blacks, the lower number parallels. 2017 Heritage High, going to Cody Bellinger, Matt Olson, who we're looking for. I want to say Bregman's in this too. I'm not sure now. Ronaldo Lopez, Hector Neris, Drew Storen, purple Jorge Alfaro rookie. There's a Cody Bellinger rookie performers. Wade Davis, Wilmer Defoe, like the actor sort of, Defoe, Willem Dafoe. You have to look on the back to see if there are any lighter colored, maybe it's darker colored backs or short prints. 2018 Heritage High. This box is absolutely loaded. It's still pretty cheap right now. You can get some major stars out of it. Will Smith, Jacob Nottingham rookie, Jimmy Schultz rookie, Aaron Judge, Joe Kelly, Robert that guy, Mike Fires, Andrew Kashner. Let's see if there are any right off the bat parallels. There are not. 2018 Top Series 1, looking for Devers, Albies, Bueller, Flaherty, Robles, Hoskins. Image variations of those guys and some more. Evan Longoria, Jake Marisnick, Cody Bellinger League Leaders, Zach Greinke, Tim Anderson, Lance McCullers, Robinson Cano, Raimel Tapia, and Michael Waka. Waka. I think that's Sesame Street, I'm not really sure. All right, this is Series 2, so we're looking for the Ohtani, Kingery, and short prints of Acuna and Torres. So Carlos Ramirez, Ryan Braun, Tucker Barnhart, Tim Beckham, Josh Fields, Evan Gattis, and Mr. Cy Young, Justin Verlander. 2019 Heritage Minors. Looking for Wander Franco, Jordan Alvarez, Julio Rodriguez, Joey Bart, Luis Robert, Jared Kalinick, and variations of those guys, and some autos and all kinds of good stuff. Keston Hiura, Joe Adell, Ruiz, Jackson Kowar, Dustin May, Joey Wentz, and Drew Waters. I think Drew Waters' first Bowman is 2017. I want to start trying to pick up some of his autos, first Bowman autos. I'm just on a Braves prospect kick right now. Clint Frazier, this is 2019 Holiday. Mike Yastrzemski rookie. Verlander, we've got a Justin Smoke metallic. Max Muncy, Josh Bell, Jorge Alfaro, nice Tatis. Good corners. And Trent Thornton. And we're going to round it off with the 2019 Bowman. Got tons of rookies in here. I'm not going to run through all the names. Got Matt Chapman, Francisco Lindor, Nico Horner, Taylor Widener, Brock Burke, first Bowman Chrome, a horribly off-centered Jesus Sanchez and Blake Rutherford. Come on, Topps. What are you doing there? Look at that. Look at that. I want to count these as error cards and say that makes them more valuable. It's got some stuff on the surface here too. I don't know if you can see, it's like a cloudiness. But all right. Well, there's the break. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. And I will see you soon. Bye.